How to purchase a hosting and domain from Namecheap.com. First, go to Namecheap.com. From here, you can purchase domain. Also, you can purchase the hosting from here separately. Also, you will get other more services like WordPress, email, also SSL certificate. From here, you can purchase shared hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated server, and also you can migrate another hosting from here. One of the cheapest hosting package is shared hosting. To get started, you can purchase shared hosting. Then later, you can purchase VPS hosting. Select shared hosting. From here, you will get 3 packages. This is the yearly subscription. From here, you can select monthly package, but monthly package cost will be very higher. So we will keep yearly. To get started, I will select the Stellar pack. Click Get Started. Now we have to purchase a new domain. From here, search what domain you want. I am going to search a domain, but it's not available. Someone already taken it. Alright, this domain is available at the moment. Now click Connect to Hosting. Then click Add to Cart. Keep everything the same. And confirm order. Now you need to create an account. Write here your username and password. First name and last name. Also email address. Create account and continue. Now fill up all the form, your company name, job title, address, phone number, country and other thing. So our total cost is $22 after discount. Now click continue. From here you need to pay $22. You can also pay with your credit card or PayPal. After you purchase, click continue. This is the dashboard of Namecheap. From here you can see all of your domain. From here you can see the hosting. If you click go to see panel and it will take to the control panel. From here you can manage the domain SSL. Also you can build your website from here.